Good morning, student. Now see page number 9.66, question number 3rd. Following balances appeared in the books of Ram and Shyam on January 1st, 2018. Assess: cash in hand 30,000, stock 36,000, Lal Chandra 7,600, Mukesh Khanna 16,200, furniture 8,000, Ghanshyam 6,000, Vinod 8,000. In the previous question we have seen, when we pass the opening entry assets account debit to liabilities account or to capital account. So first entry we will pass cash in hand account debit 30,000, stock account debit 36,000, Lal Chandra debit 7,600, Mukesh Khanna debit 16,200, furniture account debit 8,000, to Ghanshyam 6,000, to Vinod 8,000, and to capital account we will calculate the difference of debit and credit. That will be called capital. Capital will come 83,800. In question number 1 we have learned how to make the cash account. In the same pattern we will make the account, but here we will open some other types of account, not cash account, due to the shortage of time and shortage of place on the board. So we are going to open here Lal Chand account. So see here Lal Chand account. And one more account we will draw here, liabilities related to liabilities, like a Ghanshyam account. One more account we are going to open here, furniture account. Now you know left hand side it is called debit and right hand side it is called credit. All the assets always has the debit balance. So Lal Chandra is in the heading of assets, so it has the debit balance. To balance BD amount is Lal Chandra 7,600, and furniture also has the debit balance SS. So to balance BD amount of furniture balance is 8,000. Now Ghanshyam is the liabilities, so credit balance we will write here by balance BD, that amount is the 6,000. So we will write in the journal only those transactions which are related either to Lal Chandra Ghanshyam or furniture. First is purchase typewriter. So typewriter account debit to cash. Sold goods for cash of the list price 25,000 at 20% trade discount, 5% cash discount. So cash account debit, discount account debit to sales account. Sold goods to Gopal Seth. So Gopal Seth debit to sales account. Now Gopal Seth returned goods for 1,500. So sales return account debit to Gopal Seth. Purchase goods from Arun and from Varun. So purchase account debit to Arun 12,000, to Varun 15,000. Settled Arun's account in full settlement after deducting 5% cash discount. So Arun debit to cash account, to discount account. Paid cash to Ghanshyam in full settlement of his account. So Ghanshyam, this is the date 14. Paid cash to Ghanshyam. So Ghanshyam debit to cash account. Here is not written amount, so we will consider same 6,000 we have paid. Because amount is not written, so we will consider same we have paid. Here you are seeing Ghanshyam is debit, so Ghanshyam account debit side we will write, but write the name of credit term, so to cash account. The amount is 6,000. Next, received 7,500 from Lal Chand in full settlement of his account. So received from Lal Chand, date 16. So cash account debit, we have received the cash 7,500 and this is the full settlement. Balance of Lal Chand was 7,600, but we have received only 7,500, so 100 rupees is discount. So discount account debit to Lal Chand. Now here Lal Chand is credit. So credit side we will write, but write the name of debit term. Here are the two debit terms, so both debit term we will write. By cash account, that is 7,500, and by discount account, that is 100 rupees. Now next, purchased scooter for office use. So scooter account debit to cash account. Sold goods for cash. So cash account debit to sales account. Received from Gopal Seth 4,850 and discount allowed 150. So cash account debit, discount account debit to Gopal Chand. Paid for wages 7,000 and salary 3,000. So wages account debit 7,000, salary account debit 3,000, to cash account 10,000. Withdraw goods for 2,000 and cash 1,500 for private use. So drawing account debit to purchase account 2,000, to cash account 1,500. Paid for life insurance premium of the proprietor. So this is also drawing. So drawing account debit to cash account. Now you are seeing no transaction is related. Lal Chand, Ghanshyam and furniture. Now you will make the total of Lal Chand. So here total will come 7,600 and here is also the 7,600. So there will not come any balance. Same Ghanshyam, debit and credit both side total is the 6,000. So no balance will come here. You will write only 6,000. But in the furniture you have written to balance BD 8,000 and credit side is no any transaction. So here difference will come 8,000 and you will write by balance CD. This is 8,000. You will make the total 8,000, and after the total, below the total you will write, this is the by balance CD, so you will write here to balance BD. That is 8,000. So like such you will make the ledger of Lal Chand, Ghanshyam and furniture account. Thank you, student.